Hello guys, this is Richard from Rank 1 International. I am here to help you pass your CFA exam. You can do it. Tip number 1, effective time management. Effective time management is key for studying CFA. When you have more than 70 days till exam day, you should learn at least an hour or half an hour a day. Your learning curve should be flat, like this. When you have less than 70 days till the exam date, your learning curve should be like this, studying more and thoroughly until the last 10 days that are the most important ones. Tip number 2, reading is very important, but reading the entire CFA curriculum is a very long time process. However, you should benefit from YouTube. YouTube videos are free, they are time savers. You can use IFT, you can use Mark Meldrum and Kaplan, but if you want the most recent, you can check the video dates yourself. And if you want the most time saving, you can check the video lengths. You should go to Rank 1 International. Subscribe today to benefit from videos that will help you save your time. Tip number 3, do all 3 mock exams available on the web. Let's have an example here. Let's solve this maze together. You are the green spot. You are going here and here and here and here to reach your exit. However, when we will do it again, you will understand the importance of 3 mock exams. CFA official mock exams are the best. Do them 3 separate times with 7 days interval and notice your score flying. Let's solve it now together. I'm sure that you are smart and you solved it in less than 1 second this time. Tip number 4, take notes using the 3 S. 1 S is for short, 2 S is for simple, and the third S is you should study your notes very well. Tip number 5, the CFA free practice questions are your tires that will take you from theory into practice. You watch your CFA videos, that's great, but now you have gained a lot of theory. It's time to move theory into practice using CFA free practice questions. The last extra tip, this is your score. This is the 19th percentile, 17th percentile. I'm sure, as this is a live score, that you can become in the top 5% in the world. It's not hard at all, and this is a real score. Benefit from this extra tip to reach these potentials. Focus on the study even for minutes a day. You should focus a lot. Give it your best, and I'm sure you can do it. Have a blessed day from Rank 1.